How to use ChatGPT to learn niche languages. ChatGPT can certainly be used as a tool to learn niche languages. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Start by identifying the language you want to learn. This could be a language that is not widely spoken, or a dialect of a more widely spoken language. 2. Use ChatGPT to find resources to learn the language. You can ask ChatGPT questions like what are some online resources to learn language, or what are some books to learn language, and it will provide you with a list of options. 3. Practice speaking and writing the language with ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT to correct your grammar or pronunciation, or to give you feedback on your writing. This can be especially helpful if you don't have anyone else to practice with. 4. Use ChatGPT to find native speakers of the language to practice with. You can ask ChatGPT questions like are there any language exchange programs for language, or how can I find a native speaker of language to practice with. 5. Keep practicing and immersing yourself in the language. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will become with the language, and the more you will learn. You can continue to use ChatGPT to help you along the way, answering any questions you have and providing you with feedback on your progress. Remember that learning a language takes time and dedication, but with the right resources and tools, like ChatGPT, you can make progress towards fluency. Here are some reputable sources that offer tips on using AI tools like ChatGPT to learn niche languages. Using AI to learn a new language, pros and cons by the Linguaphile. This article provides an overview of the benefits and potential drawbacks of using AI to learn a new language, including tips for finding the best AI language learning tools. The Future of Language Learning, Artificial Intelligence and Virtual Reality by FluentU. This blog post explores how AI and virtual reality can be used to make language learning more engaging and effective. It also provides some tips for using AI language tools like ChatGPT to improve your language skills. How Artificial Intelligence is Revolutionizing Language Learning by Forbes. This article discusses the potential of AI to transform language learning, including the development of chatbots like ChatGPT that can help learners practice speaking and writing in their target language. Language Learning Through Artificial Intelligence and Bots, a review by ResearchGate. This academic paper reviews the current state of AI language learning tools and their effectiveness for language learners. It discusses the potential of chatbots like ChatGPT to provide personalized language learning experiences. I hope these sources are helpful for you.